Let's work out how to solve some addition like this one. We want the sum of 14 and 3, or 14 plus 3. Now what does it look like? If we use models, 14 has 1 of the tens and 4 of the units. And my models are place value blocks, but you could use anything. Now the other number that we're adding is 3, so we have 3 unit cubes here. So if you use models, you can see how many you have. Now why don't we group them together? Let's put all the units together and all the rods together. And let's actually call them tens, which is our rod, and ones or units. Now we can see how many we've got and we can think about how to write it as a number. So if we actually put all of those units together, we have 4 and 3 more, which makes 7. So we've got 7 in the units place of our answer. That's what we do there. Then we go to the other pile, which is our tens, and then we see there's only one of those rods, so we have 1 10. So we always start with the units and then work to the left. So we've got 1 of the tens and 7 of the units, and that's equal to 17. This time we're not using models. We're going to actually do it this way. We've got 21 plus 5. Now we're going to use some columns, and they're place value columns. We're going to look at each number and write the numbers or the digits in the place value column. 21 has 1 in the units place, and it has a 2 in the tens place. So we're going to write our number like that. Then don't forget we're adding 5, so we need our addition sign, and we've got 5 units. So we put a 5 there. Now there are no tens, but you could put a 0 in the tens place if you want to, so that you remember that there are no tens. And then what we're going to do is we need to add them together. Now we always start from the units place. We've got 1 plus 5, which equals 6. Then we work to the left and we add the digits in the tens place. Now you'll see I took my 0 out, but you didn't have to. We've got 2 in the tens place, so that's our total in the tens place. So altogether, 21 plus 5 equals 26. Now we've got one more we're going to look at, and in this example we've got 14 plus 32. They've both got tens and units digits, so this time we're going to write them out, but we're not going to rule all the lines. 14 has 4 in the units place and 1 in the tens place, and we're adding 32, so we've got 2 units and 3 tens. Now it's time to add, so we rule a line underneath, and that tells us we're adding everything above that line. And we always start in the units place. So we have 4 plus 2, which equals 6, and then we move 1 place to the left, and we add that place, which is the tens place. 1 plus 3 is 4, and our answer to 14 plus 32 equals 46.